Python MC. I'm your Python MC coach, Richard O'Shea. I have some broken functions that we're going to debug. They already have a bunch of errors, and we're going to get into it. We just ran our code. We spotted our first error on line 1. What is happening? Well, looks like we didn't put in a colon. Remember, for loops, while loops, conditionals, and functions, they all need a colon at the end of that first line. Otherwise, you're going to get a syntax error. The next error is, let's see, name error, capital DJ on line 13. Oh, okay. Well, so it looks like I called my function lowercase dj, and so, but then I tried to call it with a capital. Wait, I messed something up. Oh, right, sorry. It's supposed to be lowercase dj. That's the name of the function, so when I use the function later, when I call it, it needs to be a lowercase. So I just have to be consistent because Python is case sensitive. Let's see. I got a big mess of code down here. Looking all the way down the bottom, it says line 8 in DJ intro, name error on hometown. Let's see, line 8. Okay, hometown with a capital H. And now look at my parameter. It's actually lowercase h. And I keep showing you all these errors with capitalization because if you're not consistent with your names throughout the function, then you're going to get an error. We got another name error, DJ name, but that looks right. It's lowercase. Oh wait, I need an underscore there. I don't have an underscore, and therefore it's not going to work. Now let's run it with DJ underscore name. That should totally work. Let's run it. There it goes. It's working. Well, there we go. Get into it. Have fun. We'll see you again on Python MC.